Hi everyone, welcome back. Many of you know that we moved to our new home the same week my baby girl was born, and if you didn't, well, that's why there's been a delay in these room tours. Life sure has been busy, so I'm finally getting done with the guest bedroom. If you want to see a full tour, let me know in the comments, and I'd love to share once this room is 100% complete. For today's video, I partnered with Lull mattress to make this space the most comfortable it can be. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. Lull has luxury memory foam mattresses at amazing prices. I want to tell you guys a little bit about them. That goes a long way. They deliver mattress straight to your door in a box. They have all sizes from twin to cow king. The way they deliver these mattresses is really cool. I never knew you could put a mattress in a box. That definitely caught my attention. Once you place your order, you will receive it within 2 to 7 business days. Talk about fast shipping. They offer free shipping for all orders. You also get 100 days to try it out. If for any reason you're not satisfied with your mattress, simply contact them and they will arrange someone to pick up your mattress and you can get 100% money back. How amazing is that, you guys? I wanted my husband to sit this one out so I could show you that I can carry this king-size mattress inside and bring it in the guest bedroom. I know a lot of people may not have their husband or significant other for help, so I wanted to show you it can be possible to unbox. Grabbing my scissors, I am carefully cutting the plastic so that I don't cut the mattress. Please be careful when you do this step as well. As soon as I started cutting the plastic, I could hear and see the plastic getting tighter because the mattress was expanding very fast. There isn't anything better than having a great night's rest and feeling amazing when you wake up. Depending on how you sleep and what quality of a mattress you have can definitely impact how you feel on a daily basis. It says that it would take up to 24 hours to fully expand, but my mattress looked like it was ready within opening it from the plastic. I let it sit for a bit and couldn't wait to try it out, so I had to jump on. You guys, this mattress is so comfortable. I could have took a nap right then and there. It's firm but yet soft. I'm just so impressed with the quality and how comfortable it is. The most important thing about a guest bedroom is the mattress. I will have a coupon code for you guys along with their website so you can check it out and order your mattress to get the best sleep ever, which you deserve. While having the best mattress to sleep on, you're going to need comfortable sheets. I love using crisp white sheets because it makes the bed look elegant and clean. I want this space to feel like a hotel, so the style I'm going for, I found this beautiful 5-piece comforter set. It comes with 2 sham pillow covers, 2 decorative pillows, and the comforter. I chose this one because of the stunning embroidery and it's 100% cotton. I will be having either picture frames above the bed or wall art, so stay tuned for the reveal. Let me know which one I should go for. At the end of the bed, I added this crushed velvet basket and put the decorative pillows from the comforter set that came in case my guests want them. For extra coziness, I added this faux fur throw blanket. You can never go wrong with too many pillows or throws, especially now that it's fall weather. I hope you enjoyed a sneak peek of my guest bedroom featuring Lull. Thank you so much for watching and all your continued love and support. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.